What's up, guys? Trey right here. Today we're going to talk about what is a mortgage and what types of mortgages are there. So first I want to go off by saying that this is not legal advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only and in no way constitutes legal, financial, or real estate advice. Please consult a real estate, financial, or legal professional in your area before making any decisions. So let's jump straight into it. What is a mortgage? Now, a mortgage is essentially a bank loaning you money to go buy the American dream or a home. It keeps you from having to go right out of your pocket and give all your money to somebody, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, whatever that amount is. It keeps you from having to do that, and it puts it on the bank. Now the bank's going to want something out of that. What are they going to want? They're going to want interest. So let's jump straight into what these loans are. First, you have an adjustable rate mortgage, you have a fixed rate mortgage, you have a FHA, you have a VA, and you have a jumbo loan. So, what is an adjustable rate mortgage? It's pretty much just what it sounds like. You get an adjustable rate. So what does that mean and how does that help you? So when you lock in your loan, say you're at 5%. Well, later in the future, that rates are at 3%. Now that's a 2% difference. That could mean a lot on your monthly payments and your premiums on down the road. So that adjustable rate mortgage gives you the chance to readjust later, refinance, reconstruct your loan, and get a better rate in the future. Now there's a fixed rate loan. Now a fixed rate loan is exactly what it sounds like as well. You get a fixed rate with no choice to refinance or reconstruct in the future and fix the rate. Now why is this attractive? Well, I'll tell you. If interest rates today are lower than what they're going to be in the future, then this rate may be better. If it's 5% today, in like today's economy, it's 7.5%, 8%. In the future, if it stays that way and you have a 5% today, you don't have to refinance or reconstruct and take on that 8% mortgage. You get to keep your 5% mortgage indefinitely throughout the term. 15 years, 30 years, whatever it may be, you're locked in. Your $100 a month payment will be $100 a month, continuous for the whole lifespan of that mortgage term. No surprises and no catches, which is a lot of times good if that works for you. Now, what else is there? There's an FHA loan. Now, this is considered the first-time homeowner's loan. What's great about these? Well, your percent down that you have to pay seems to be a lot lower. Sometimes it's 3 or 4% down that you have to pay, and adjacent to having to pay 10, 20% down with some of these other loans. Another thing is they're going to attach insurance premiums to your mortgage payment with, it's not that great, but you kind of get a give and take, ebb and flow. If you're going to get a percent break on your down payment, then they're going to charge you a little more insurance premium on your month-to-month payment. Now next we have a VA loan, or as I like to call them, a hero loan, which means if you're a veteran or if you served for our country, then you get a VA loan. And that means no percent down, no down payment, no insurance premiums. It's the best of the best. So if you're a veteran, I personally would check out that loan because that is your best bang for your buck if you're a veteran. Now the next is a jumbo mortgage loan. And that is going to be for your luxury homes, your very expensive homes, things such as that nature. Not like myself can afford, but somebody maybe can, and this may be for you. You're going to have an extremely good credit score. You're going to probably have to do a big down payment, but to achieve your dreams and achieve what you want, this may be the route for you. Now, all of these loans require a decent credit score, and there's ways that you can get your credit up, and if you need to check out that, we'll do another video on that. Leave a comment, let me know, and I'll dive into credit. But all of these things are going to require a down payment, except for the veterans loan. Now, your percent varies on different loans. Your fixed rate, your FHA, they're all going to be different percent down payments. And your insurance premiums are all going to vary. But if you guys like this video and you want me to dig in deeper to show you guys what all these loans are, what's inside of these things, let's unravel the whole package here, then like, subscribe, leave me a comment below, let me know what you guys think, and hopefully we can dive into it and we'll get this thing going. Thanks, guys.